lunch for today, well, I woke up late, so I was rushing out the house. Now, if I would have been better prepared, I would have prepared my stuff last night, but I didn't. You know, so now I have to make sure I make healthy options. I'm about to go in here and see what they have in this vending machine, even though I wouldn't want you guys, especially when you're on a diet, to rely on what's inside a vending machine. So if I can find something in here, I'm picking up a load. We'll just see. Got some Pop-Tarts and some gum. Pop-Tarts. Now, I wouldn't normally recommend people eating Pop-Tarts on a diet, but I'm hungry and I have 300 grams of carbs. And we know that the whole thing is going to be 70 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fat, and 3 grams of protein. Now, I don't do this often, and I'm not trying to preach the practice of eating Pop-Tarts, but hey, man, when you do the if it fits your macro style and the majority of your meals are somewhat nutritious, you know, you can indulge sometime. Oh man, it sucks. The weather sucks. It's raining. Look at that. It's 8:54. I need some gas, but we got to do some cardio. So man, cardio is going to be really important on this diet. You have some people who will try to diet just off of calories alone, reducing the amount of calories every time they hit a plateau, and just getting to the point to where they don't really have a lot of calories and they're upset and they're cranky. And then you have some people who will just try to do a lot of cardio and try to out-eat or try to run, or to try to just do more activities than what they're eating in order to lose weight. But me, I'm going to be in the middle. I've reduced my calories down to what I estimate to be my my caloric maintenance. I estimate my caloric maintenance to be somewhere around 3,000, maybe to 3,200 calories, and then I took some off of that. So I'm going to be at 2,630 calories, and I'm going to start off doing 75 minutes of cardio per week. And like the first 2 weeks are really just like to fill out how many calories exactly it takes for me to lose a pound, gain a pound, and stuff like that. So we're going to get actual numbers during these first 2 weeks, and then after that we should be able to we should have some firm grasp on what it's going to take in order for us to lose weight. That's more like it. Cardio's done. It's still raining. All right, so you may wonder why, or you may wonder what kind of cardio I'm doing. So if you can't tell from the video, that was actually the little cool down period. But I'm doing low intensity, steady state cardio, just for the simple fact that it's easier to maintain, it's easier to sustain. It's not something that you dread. You know, a lot of y'all out there doing high intensity interval training, and you dread doing that. It takes a lot out of you. And when you're trying to diet, you want to make sure that your cardio is easy to recover from, because you don't really have that many calories. You're putting yourself into a caloric deficit by doing all this cardio, and I'm eating below maintenance. So, which is a caloric deficit, but you know, you don't want your cardio to take away from your recovery time, because when you're losing weight, the most important thing is to continue to lift heavy and to try to continue to build strength, even though to a certain point it just becomes maintaining strength. But that's why I do low intensity, steady state cardio, because it's just easy. You can walk all day if you think about it. You can walk all day. You can walk for hours if you had to, but you can't do high intensity interval training for hours, right? There's only a certain amount of time that you can spend actually doing that, and plus, it's strenuous. You know, high intensity interval training is like lifting weights, because you have the moment to where you're lifting the weight or you're exerting the energy, and then you have moments to where you rest. That's the same thing with weightlifting, right? You lift weights, you going through your set, and then you rest in between sets. Basically the same thing. But anyway, low intensity, steady state is how I'm going to walk all these pounds off. All right, so we did not meal prep today, so we're meal prepping for tomorrow. So let me show you. Right now I'm just eating some rice. They got some red peppers. They got like cream of mushroom in it, and I believe like cream of chicken and like herbs and stuff in it as well, along with chicken. There's a piece of chicken right there. So I'm eating that. To finish off some of my calories for today, like I still have, like as of before, I had 1,200 calories for the rest of the night. So that's obviously going to take away from some. But tomorrow I'm grilling up some chicken cutlets right here. It's nothing but 3 cutlets. Sprinkle some of this on it. Spray them down with this. And in here, we've got, that thing's dirty, sweet potato. Excuse me. So, I'm also going to make a smoothie for tomorrow, and I'm going to make a protein shake for tomorrow as well. I'm going to take all of these things, put it into this dish right here, throw it into my lunchbox right here, probably bring like an ice drink or two to work with me tomorrow, and that's going to be it. Alright, so the food is done. So let me show you what we made. I got all of this written down in my phone. I believe this is 250 milligrams of sweet potato, brown sugar. for tomorrow. Boom, which is just 11.9 ounces of this stuff right here. Fairlife. Boom, boom, boom. Black then we have fruit smoothie, which is this mixed fruit right here. This is how I keep my bananas. Keep my bananas whole, keep them in the freezer. And can't really see it back there, but the Oikos, you can see it. I just got the that thing right there with the NFL shield on it. That's the yogurt. All right, so meal prep is important, especially when you're trying to lose weight, man. Because I had to eat a lot of bull crap earlier today. I had a couple protein bars, which, I mean, it's not bull crap, but you obviously want to eat whole foods when you're dieting. Protein shake. I haven't had a protein shake today, as far as like one that I bring from home. I rushed out the house this morning and I wasn't able to make one, so I didn't even take my creatine either. So I gotta take my creatine before I go to bed. And that's about it, man. So obstacles, man. One of the obstacles is meal prep. Make sure you meal prep, because meal prep, it makes life easier and it allows you to control what you're consuming, and that's extremely important when you're trying to lose weight. Okay. Yeah, it's a lot of dishes, right? Boom, boom. I'm gonna have to wash this out because this is what I cooked the sweet potato in, right? And then I'm gonna have to wash this out because this is what I made the smoothie in, and all this other stuff. But at the end of the day, doesn't matter how many dishes you make, because it's only gonna help you reach your goals. All right, so that's it for today's vlog. I'm about to stretch, do some foam rolling, take a shower, and then I'm gonna hit the bed because I gotta be to work tomorrow at 9 o'clock. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Share this video with anybody who may be entertained by it. Hopefully I said something in this video that was of some value to you. If not, let me know what you want to see in my next vlog, and I will make sure that I get that out to you guys. All right, so, yeah.